Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday. Today's video is just a little video. I got some Happy Mail and we're going to be testing out the products. So this is not part of the Happy Mail, this is what I've bought, but this is from a subscriber named Lolly. I just put a little note in it saying, a little thank you for your inspiration from Lolly. And she's from Scotland. Really lovely lady she is. So she's got me 15 pigments. These are off my wish list. Just 1 minute while I get the blade. And Lolly was kind enough to buy something towards the channel to make a video with. If any of you would like to gift anything to the channel, there is a wish list down in the description box, along with buy me a coffee or even becoming a member of the channel. All funds and items purchased go back into the channel as I'm doing now. So this is the 15 colour pigments. They are an alcohol ink, I think. Either an alcohol ink or a dye, something like that. But they look really nice. They had some nice reds in. Right. But we're going to be testing them out in another video, not today, because I don't want coloured resin. So sticking with Christmas, the holiday theme as usual, we're going to be doing this. So this is a skull mould, and this is from Let's Resin. Lolly kind of purchased this for me. This is their large skull, and this can, I think it holds 10 ounces. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting some tinsel, which is tree decoration, if you don't know what tinsel is, into the mould, into the skull mould, to see what it looks like. I don't know, I couldn't think of what to put in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up probably about 7 ounces. And the reason why I know this takes 10 ounces and I said I'm going to mix up 7 is because when you compact an area, you've got to subtract the area away from the resin, so you need less resin basically. So I'll put you on pause, and when I come back we can get on with the video. So I'll see you shortly. Bye.
The glow inside the skull so bright, dear bubble making bubbles take flight. Crystal clear resin in the mistletoe light. We're crafting Christmas with a spooky delight. Mixing up the cheer with the touch of the wild. A holiday skull makes.
Right, so I'm back and my resin is now mixed up, and I'm just going to add a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to the top, just because when you use a debubblizer, it always leaves bubbles on the surface of your resin. So I'm going to add in a tiny little bit of the Meysprings Dazzling Dazzling Diamond. It's kind of like it's just diamond dust basically. I just want a little bit in each one. That's it. Just a bit of sparkle. I want to say a big thank you to Lolly for my gifts. I really appreciate it. You have no idea how much I appreciate your support. And that goes to everybody who donates to the channel, whether it's by gifts or buy me a coffee, etc. It's always highly appreciated. So we're just going to mix this in really, really slowly because I don't want to induce any more bubbles. You see? Let me have the light on. That's better. You see the sparkle? You don't need a lot. I'm using the Teexpert 1:1 glossy resin. This is from their black series. I will link that as well. I do have a 10% discount from Teexperts and a 10% discount as well from Let's Resin. Now with this glitter, the more you mix it, the more it breaks down and adds a sparkle, but I don't want it too sparkly. Not that there's anything wrong, it's just because it's just going to incorporate more bubbles. Right, so usually I would add this to the resin, but apologies for the noise. But due to the weather, we're having a storm here at the moment and it is absolutely freezing. My resin is too thick. And I haven't got much working time left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut bits off, pour a bit of resin and cut this off. So I'm going to pour some in the bottom. I don't think I've ever poured anything into a mould like this, put inclusions in without bubbles. So if I get a bubble-free make, I'll be shocked. I'm just going to push that down there. It's going to get bubbles. There's not much I can do really. If you've got a pressure pot, then you know, then you can make things without without bubbles, because you can put it in your pressure pot to cure and it'll pull out the bubbles as you're doing. I am considering getting one, but they are quite expensive. Have I put tinsel in anything? Should we put a bit more in there just to make sure there's enough in? And then we're going to put this in. Yeah, you can actually dip this into the resin, but I'm just awkward. I hate mess. I hate resin going all over the place. And I've got basically about an hour before the kids come home. So I want to get this cured before they come home. I'll probably get some bubbles trapped in the upper side here because it can't degas. And unfortunately, it's just one of them. So there will be no video next Friday, but there'll be 2 uploads on Saturday because I'm doing a double collaboration, you see. I'm doing a Christmas collaboration with Mini Scenes GB and other crafters, and then I'm doing a little mini collaboration with Mary from Jelly Beans Crafts. So watch out for them coming up. Pots, if you're new to resin, don't chuck them away. You can recycle them and use them again. Just get some isopropyl alcohol and some baby wipes or some kitchen paper and give them a clean out. I use mine about 5 or 6 times. You need to make sure that you're pushing down on your piece inside just so that you've got resin in, because you might get parts where the resin's not gone like that. I'll probably end up needing some more resin by the looks of it. It does look like that. Oh god. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to top this off now with the resin, push it down, and then I'm just going to mix up some more resin and put some more resin in. I probably need another 1 or 2 ounces. I thought it'd use less. Usually they do, but yeah, but I probably need about 2 ounces. So I'm going to get this sorted, and then I'll come back later once it's cured and we can get it demolded and have a look at the simple make. So I'll get back with you later. Bye. Right, so I'm back and this is now cured. I'm just going to call my partner just to demold this for me. Got some isopropyl alcohol. Drop some of this. No. Yeah, with this being a new mould, I couldn't get the nails done. I couldn't get it off with my nails. Yeah, we have got some bubbles, like I said, I knew I would, but can't be helped, I don't think. So I'm just turning in the mould back way around so it doesn't distort. And here we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, the bubbles are more way at the back, see there? There's not much I can do about them. It's just where it's been. It's mainly just there. It's just because when it's degassing, it can't get around that bend to degas. It's just got some around the lip, but that's alright. I'm not really bothered anyway. It was just to see what it was like with the fingering. What do you think, guys? I think it looks pretty cool. Keep that. Paperweight or something. Anyway, guys, it wasn't anything special. It was just a little video just to test out the skull and just to say thank you to Lolly for the pigments and the skull mould. So everything from today's video along with discount codes were down in the description box. If you'd like to treat yourself, you've got some discounts there. Anyway, guys, so please like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so. That would help my channel out so much. And I shall see you on tomorrow's upload. Goodbye, thanks for watching.